Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp videos. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. Search for Doodleet Pro and tap the Install button. After installation, open Doodleet Pro and allow all necessary permissions. Now, using a second WhatsApp account, send a video to your main WhatsApp account. After the video is sent, delete it for everyone. The video will no longer be visible in your main account, but don't worry. Open Doodleet Pro, and the app will automatically detect the deleted video. Select the video you want to recover. That's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted WhatsApp video using Doodleet Pro. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.